Hello everybody, it's Tony, and if you couldn't tell, we are going to be recording a nail video today. Basically, I just put some full cover tips on, and I'm going to be painting them with some stuff out of my Vettsy box and some other stuff that I had besides that, and I'm going to do a look with that stuff. I'm going to do the best I can with the recording bar the way it is. It's kind of hard to see behind it with my hand being in front of it. So basically, I am going to start by putting a base coat on my nails, and then by the magic of future, I'm going to go ahead and put this Vettsy Diamond Prismatic number 5. It's like a purplish color. I'm going to put that on my thumb. I'm going to do 2 coats of it, but you're only going to see me put it in the lamp once. I try my best to keep everything in frame for this video, but I don't do the best job. I tried really hard. I am trying. And I'm going to try for another video tomorrow. But, you know, you can only do so much. So here I am putting that in the lamp, and all of a sudden it's done and finished. So we're going to go ahead and put a top coat on it. And then that will be done in literally half a second. There I go, going off screen already. I do apologize about that. And I really try not to do it. It's just hard not to. I just have to get into the groove where I don't do that. See, I'm done already. Now, here we go. I'm going to put base coat on my pointer finger very quickly. Again. And all this is in fast forward, so I'm actually going kind of slow, but this is in double speed. So I'm going to take that, what am I doing right here? I'm going to take the purple, and I'm going to do 2 coats of purple on my finger. I don't think I do a full 2 coats. It just where it was thin, I put 2 coats. This gel that I'm using, it's like a mix between a pudding and a gel. It's by Savvyland, and I got it in a set off of Amazon. It's actually really good to paint with. There are some really nice colors in there. It's a nice set. It's a 36-piece set. Just so you guys know where I got stuff from and everything like that. But I'm going to go ahead and put that in the lamp, and magically it will be done. So I'm going to have to go ahead and put some top coat on it. And I'll be off screen again. I apologize. I really do. I never realize how much I'm off screen until I sit down to record these voiceovers. So, there's that. Next up, we are going to do a base coat on my middle finger, and then after the base coat is done, we're going to go ahead and put that teal that's right there on my middle finger. I'm going to do it in one medium coat and then one really thin coat. So, and that will magically happen over the course of a couple seconds. I'm still amazed by editing. I have learned so much in such a short time, and I I'm learning a lot about editing, and it will cut down my time on my videos forever now. Literally forever. So here I'm just flushing out my brush, and I'm going to put my finger in there. It's magically going to be done. Then we're going to put some top coat on it real quick. Then it's off camera. I'm so sorry about this. It's so hard to stay on screen whenever you're just not paying attention. You're so in the groove. But there's that. Trying to tell what I'm doing right here. I think I was just putting top coat on, and now I'm putting base coat on my ring finger, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm putting base coat on my ring finger. Whenever I do this, the recording bar is directly under where my fingers are, like directly over it. So it's kind of hard to tell what exactly I'm doing. So this finger is going to be purple again. And then my pinky will obviously be that turquoise color, that teal color, whatever you want to call it. I think I chose beautiful colors. I did try to pick mostly embellishments that were in my Vettsy box. There was only one finger that I used things that weren't in the Vettsy box. So I thought I did pretty good with that. And I think I bumped the camera there for a second. I apologize about that. So here, it is really hard for me to see if I'm even on camera. It's so tough. Gonna put some top coat on that, obviously. Running low on top coat and base coat. I'm actually supposed to get some from Amazon on Sunday. I actually got a lot of things in the mail. I think I'm going to do a haul video because I got so many things in the mail from Amazon. But I'm going to wait until I get everything. Now I'm painting that pinky finger, that really pretty aqua color. And like I said, most of these nails got 2 coats. One medium one and then one light one. It just only shows that they got 1 coat because I was using the editing so that the video wasn't an hour long. Because just with how long the lights take, it can take a video over an hour. Because you got to think sometimes you're putting your finger in a light over 5 times. So anyway, I'm going to, instead of top coating that, I went ahead and I did glitter. A lot of it. And then I put even more glitter on it. And then I just kind of stuck with it because I really didn't have a choice. But base coat is not your best option for glitter because it doesn't cure all the way. I didn't really have a choice, so I just left it the way it was and just stayed happy with it. So that's one finger. And then from there, I got my stuff out. I took my, I believe it was acetone in this video, and got rid of it and threw it away so that I didn't have chemicals out anymore. I like having chemicals out as little as possible. So I'm going to do, my thumb already has that glitter gel stuff on it. So, and my pinky has that stuff on it. So I think the first nail I'm going to do is the butterfly on my ring finger, which it does not want to stay, but I end up getting it perfect. Not with my light, but ending up in my lamp. I did get a new lamp, by the way, from Bellavina. I think it's by Bellavina. Or Born Pretty. Same difference. Not same difference, but the lamp is the same. That's all. And it's a little easier to use than the clamshell lamp. But the butterfly does turn out perfectly, and it is adorable with its movable wings. The next one is the one where I do jewels down the nail, I believe. And I think that that is my middle finger. And I had these two out specifically, but I end up using way more jewels than that. Those two were out of the Vettsy box, but I end up putting a whole bunch more jewels on that hand. So, I do bling that finger out pretty good. It does turn out very beautiful. You see my head a little bit here. There's my blonde hair bumping in the way of the camera. Sorry about that. And then I'm just picking up gems as they make sense and putting them on there. And I'm using my McCart Rhinestone Glue. It's my favorite Rhinestone Glue that I've used as of yet. I have used a couple other kinds, but I still have a lot to learn. So there could be something out there that I just haven't met yet, you know. But the McCart glue is awesome. It's hard to get out of the container a little bit, but it is really awesome. So here I just pick up some big gems and put them in a line down the nail. And then in between each two, I will take and put two little gems in between the two, just so there's a little more embellishment and it looks a little better than just a line of gems down the nail. Gives it a little more oomph. And I think I'm off camera again, which I apologize about. So I think I'm back on camera. I'm not sure if I ever got off camera or not. It's really hard to see where my hand's at right now. So I just kind of have to get used to this recording bar. But right here you can see me working and the light's still on. Not that that really matters. It won't cure anything as long as you don't have anything sitting directly in front of it. And right now I am putting a ton of glue on what I believe is my ring finger. I think it's my ring finger. I could be wrong. And I'm trying to put that big, huge gem on there. I could be wrong about the finger. Let me see. Yeah, it's my ring finger. The big, huge gem, I wasn't sure how that was going to look. It actually turned out really nice. I was really happy with it. That's about it for now. Thank you guys. Bye.